Welcome to Autonomic Sauce Labs low-code automated web testing studio. In this segment of our video series on project properties, we're going to review how to use Autonomic's show full screen images. This functionality is helpful on a website with a long page where you need to scroll down. For example, the form is not clear because it is a very long page. So we'll switch on the property and generate the test again. This time, it will not only take the screenshot of that particular element with the boundaries, it will be taking the full screenshot. So the trade-off is it will take more time than generating without a full screenshot. Now that that test is done, we can click and review the full screenshots that have been taken. To learn more about project properties, view the other videos in this short series. And to learn other tips for advancing your low-code automation strategies, visit our Autonomic Sauce Labs YouTube page or reach out to us via our website.